everyone, and welcome back to Taking It Offline. If you haven't already updated to iOS 17.2, make sure you check out my last video and see how to do it and why it's important. Once you've updated, you'll see that you have access to this new app called Journal. Let's check out some of the features and see why it's so cool.
Once you've upgraded over to iOS 17.2, get ready to unlock your inner philosopher with this new app that's going to show up right on your home screen. It's called Journal. Now, Journal is an app that iPhone or Apple has been talking about for quite some time. They're very excited about it. Over here, like you can see, as soon as you go in, it's going to welcome you. And the reason Apple has been talking about this app for so long is the first key thing is that they're trying to promote and level up your mental wellness. And the idea here is that Journal is going to give you suggestions based on your daily activities or things that happen within your iPhone. So an example could be like describe that surprise encounter you had at the coffee shop based on a photo you took there, or reflect on the music that got you through your workout. So it's like no more brain freeze, just pure journaling gold, and it's amazing. So make sure you give access to the suggestions when it does ask you about it, right here as it says private access to suggestions. It's going to really help you turn your memories into masterpieces. Don't worry, there are times where your iPhone probably knows more about you than your mom and your wife. So trust the journaling app and keep it all under lock and key. Everything is encrypted, and you can even set your Face ID or passcode for those extra juicy entries. One other feature that Journal offers is this reflections box. And what this means is that it's going to give you a prompt so you can get a starting point for a journal entry for that moment. So right now, as it says, what is a hidden talent of yours that you may take for granted? For example, if you don't like that reflection, all you can do is you can hit this refresh button and it gives you a new prompt. What's the kindest thing anyone has said to you or said about you recently? So I go ahead and click on it and I can start journaling based on the prompt I was given. And there you go. Now I have 2 journal entries.
As always, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your feedback and ideas. Once again, I'm Taking It Offline. This is Parth, signing off. Until next time.